Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make pancakes, and what you need is 1.5 cups of flour, and then it should look something like that. Then you pour that in. Then you need 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, which it looks like this. And then you need 1 teaspoon of white sugar. And then you need 1.25 cups of milk. And then it should look something like that. And then you need 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And then you need 1 egg. And then you mix that together. And then when it comes to mixing stuff up, it's really important that you mix it out the best you can. It's also really important that you get all of the ingredients mixed and really good. Alright, and this is what it looks like when it's done mixed up. Okay, so now we are going to fry the pancakes. And what you are going to do is take some of the batter and then put it on a pan. Frying pan. And then it should look something like that. And then, like, each time before you put the new batter onto the frying pan, and you want to fry it, not fry it, but you want to like spray it with cooking spray, something like this. And then And with the frying pans, and when you fry the pancakes, you want it on medium heat. This is what the pancakes look like when they are done. And this is what it looks like from the side. And over there. And over there.